to Wolfgang's Ultimate Cookies. Today we're making a marshmallow peanut butter cookie, chocolate chip cookie. It's super mega ultra ultimate, super mega ultra ultimate. Anyway, let's get started. Now we're going to put in the butter and brown sugar into a mixer until it's light and fluffy. Butter, brown sugar, mix it up. Whoop. Anyway, now we're going to put in 2 eggs, but one at a time. Let's do it. Now we're gonna add in the peanut butter and the vanilla. Peanut butter. Vanilla. 6! Now we're gonna add in the flour and the baking powder. Now we're gonna turn them into a form dough. Oops. Now mix it on low until it forms a dough. Now we're gonna make it super, mega, ultra, ultimate. Chocolate chips, marshmallows, cookies. Crunch up the chips into there. Gonna mix that up. Now we're gonna put the cookies on the tray by magic. Dang! Now we're gonna put these cookies in the oven. What? Now, once you take them out of the oven, make sure you leave them to cool because that marshmallow will be like lava. What? Now it's time for some tasting. These marshmallows might be still a little bit hot, but I think that they'll be okay. Yum! If you like marshmallows, if you like peanut butter, if you like cookies, if you like chocolate, if you like chips, make these. If you like super cookies, mega cookies, ultra cookies, and ultimate cookies, make these. Marshmallow, peanut butter, cookie, chocolate, chip cookies. See you next time. Hey.